going to show you a really easy recipe using your pantry stock. I probably won't use all these. I'm going to use 2 nice big pork chops for our dinner. Maybe I'll use 3 of them. Anyway, what I'm going to do first is I'm going to show you. I'm going to just brown with a little bit of olive oil in here. Turn my burner on medium. And I am just going to brown these pork chops first off. Okay? So, let's see here. Let's let that get warm. I should have just waited and turned this on once it was hot. And you know what? I'll be right back. You don't want to sit here and watch my pan get warm. Back, and my pan is hot. So what I'm going to show you here is we're just going to season these pork chops up. Just with some salt and pepper. And we're just going to brown them a little bit. There we go. Flip these over. Do the other side. Okay, then we're just going to set them right in here because we're just going to brown them. We're not going to cook them. We're going to cook in the oven. I'm going to have to wait for that one. I'll do 2 of them at a time. So wash my hands. And I'm turning that burner down a little bit because cast iron gets hot very fast. These will be good. Just to get a little sear on them. That's all I do. This is a really, really easy recipe. And you know what? With the exception of the pork, everything is from my pantry. So this is a pantry stock meal, friends. And you're going to love it. Okay, let me put this one in here. Okay, we'll get that one going. We got these set over there. Now that one's searing. I'm going to show you. I have got. Well, no, I'll have to wait. Let's see. I'll have to wait a minute. I'll get this last one buttered up or seared up, and then I'll be back. Pork chops are all seared up, ready to go. I've got a nice sized casserole dish here, and I've got it buttered. Okay, so into that I'm going to put my dehydrated sliced potatoes, and I've got 4 cups in here. Okay, now in this bowl I'm going to set these aside. Okay, in this, I'm back. I'm sorry, my something went wrong with my camera. Anyway, my casserole dish is greased. I got 4 cups of potatoes in here. My pork chops are all seared up. So we're going to set that aside. In this bowl, this is going to be nice because I got to get my rubber spatula. My husband, for the first time, is going to try cream of mushroom soup. So we're going to pour 1 can of cream of mushroom soup in here. He always says he hates mushrooms. I don't think he does. I just think somebody told him they grew under cow patties. So he would never eat it. Anyway, so we got 1 can of cream of mushroom soup. Now to that, I'm going to add a package of onion soup mix. Wonderful together. So I'm not going to put any onions in with my potatoes because this is enough onions in here for us. So with that, I'm going to open up. I should show you everything come out of my pantry, so this is going to be a really nice meal. This is my shelf-stable milk. I use this to bake a lot with. This one's a new one, so we are going to use this. Now, I don't drink this, but I do bake with it. It makes wonderful for baking. And we're going to pour 2 cups in here. Mix that up because you very well may need more. Okay. we're just going to mix that up because these potatoes are dehydrated. And when they're dehydrated, it takes for 2 cups of potatoes, or for 1 cup of potatoes, it takes like 2 cups of liquid. I'm also going to put 1 more cup in. I'm going to do 3 cups of liquid. Okay. All right, so we got that. Now, with that, I should have got this out before. With that, I'm going to put a few of my dehydrated carrots in here. Oh boy, they smell wonderful. Just a small handful because they do rehydrate and get big again. So I got dehydrated carrots, and I'm going to do a handful of dehydrated peas. That's probably a plenty because I don't want a whole lot in there. Okay, set those aside. We're going to bring our pan back over here, a casserole dish. Give that a little mix. And we're just going to carefully pour that right in there. And it's going to fill every bit of this dish. Okay. Make sure it's all covered real good. And remember, this liquid is going to get absorbed with these potatoes. Okay. So with that, I'm just going to do, I know I peppered the steaks or the pork chops, but I'm going to put a little bit on here. Just a dot of salt because that mushroom soup is probably pretty salty. Then I'm going to lay these right over the top. Okay. Kind of mush them down in a little bit. Get them covered just a little bit. This is going to be wonderful. And this is going to bake in the oven, 350 degrees, for just about an hour. I think I always bake it. So, 50 minutes to an hour. I want that pork done real good. And it's at 350, so it'll bake nice. All right? That's simple, friends. That's simple to put a real nice pantry stock casserole together. So, this is going to go in the oven as soon as it reaches temp. And when it's done, I'll bring you back and I'll show you how good it is. Friends, I had to pull this back out of the oven for a second because actually I forgot to add my parsley. And I forgot to dot it with little bits of butter. Shame on me. I do probably a good tablespoon to 2 tablespoons. That's it. Okay, there. That's good. Now I'm going to put it back in the oven. Now it's ready to go. I'm not doing good today. Anyway, there you are, friends. I'll put that back in the oven and I'll be back when it's done. Okay, friends, I just pulled my casserole out of the oven. It is done. And it is beautiful. The potatoes are nice and fork tender. Everything on it's done. So I'm just going to leave it sit here and just rest for a few minutes, about 5-10 minutes, before I get into it. So that's how easy that is. And that was pantry stock. Everything I had right in my pantry except the pork chops. So there you have it, friends. Another quick and easy casserole. Thanks for watching.